In the landmark Supreme Court case, Oberfeld versus Hodges, Justice Kennedy wrote that no union is more profound than marriage, for it embodies the highest ideals of love, fidelity, devotion, sacrifice, and family. In forming a marital union, two people become something greater than they once were. That is why we are here, to be with Marya and Zack as they become something greater than their individual selves.
I've been walking down this road.
This is the city where Marya and Zack first met. This is the city where they fell in love.
We are so grateful for all of you that you have come to spend this weekend with us, and we will keep you in our hearts as we will with the folks who wish they could be here and connect.
I've been searching to find my way, to find the path. You've been traveling on.
All right, we're doing it.
Like a tree.
So there's a quote that I love by an unknown author, because every good author is an unknown author, that says, infatuation is when you find someone who's absolutely perfect. Love is when you find someone who isn't, and it doesn't matter. That, to me, is what defines these two. In love with each other, not because things are perfect, but because when they aren't, there is no one they would rather be with and be imperfect with than each other.
And I'm going crazy 'cause you're moving slow. Your train ain't running.
Marya, you are the love of my life. I swear that I will fiercely love you in all your forms. I swear to defend you, I swear to honor you, and I swear to treat you with respect now and forever.
I promise to never forget that this is a once-in-a-lifetime love, and to always know in the deepest part of my soul that no matter what challenges might carry us apart, we will always find our way back into each other's arms.
You may kiss the bride.
In the strength of our love.
And yeah, I don't know, I think you all can see it from the grin on my face, but this is the happiest I have ever been. And I couldn't not thank this magnificent person next to me who I get to spend the rest of my life having as my best friend. Baby, I love you, and let's dance.
So wait for me as I wait for you, and we'll find the love we've wanted soon.
I would like to propose a toast to Hurricane Zaria, Zack and Marya.